Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change your trading password in KuCoin account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in kucoin.com and click on Enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, at the top right corner of the screen, you will see your profile icon. Hover your mouse to it and you will see various options. Click on Account Security option here. Now scroll down to a little and under Advanced Settings tab, you will see Trading Password here. After that, click on Change button here. Now click on OK button. You will need to type in your old trading password here. After that, type in your new trading password here and confirm it once again by typing in this field here. After typing in your information, you need to click on Confirm Password button. After that, your trading password will be changed. So that is how you can change your trading password in KuCoin account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.